So in this video, we're going to look at the Korg EMX1 and how it works with effects. Let's say we press 1, that's assigned to a kick drum. So what you want to do is go over here. Now all you have to do is look right here. We have effects 1, 2, and 3. Right now effects 1 has the light on, and then you have effects select. When you press that, switches from effects 1, 2, or 3. If you press effects send, that enables that audio from that track to go through effects 1 or 2 or 3, depending. And that's all you need to know about that. So if we want the synth here to go through the reverb I have set up in effects 1, turn on effects send, you have it off, you don't hear it. So if we want to go through the delay I have in effects 2, you're going to hear that. And then 3, which is a pitch down. Now looking down here, this is the effects section. You turn this knob and it changes whatever effect you want to choose for whatever effects we have selected here. So if we choose edit select, it's going to switch between editing right here, effects 1, 2, or 3. So here we have reverb, BPM sync delay, short delay, mod delay, grain shifter, chorus flange, phaser, ring mod, talking mod, pitch shifter, compressor, distortion, decimator, EQ, LPF, which is low pass frequency, and HPF, which is high pass frequency. So you can change what effect is on what effects number, and then this is parameter 1 and parameter 2. Each parameter will be dependent on the effects you choose. So right now we're just going to have synth to be assigned to effects 1, because that's lit. Right now it's on a reverb, so if I turn this, it'll say right here, it says time. So that's a reverb time, and then there's level, that's the mix amount. So I'm just going to do a quick demo just so you can hear all the different sounds. What I'm going to do is I'm going to assign everything to effects 1, just so you can hear what it's going to do to the signal. Okay, so I just assigned everything to effects send 1. Okay, so I have a really simple pattern just so you can hear what it's doing. And I'm just going to switch through all these effects here. Now what I'm going to do is choose the motion sequence, and so we can see how this is recorded. So I'm going to press record and play. And as you can hear, it just recorded what I just changed. So now let's play around. I'm just going to show you finally the effects chain here. So right now it's not chained to anything. So it has effects 1. If we press effects chain, we see that it goes down to effects 2. So right now it's going to, whatever is running through effects 1 is going to be chained to effects 2 and then what we hear. So effects 2 is delay, so we'll hear what that sounds like. Now we're going to press effects chain again. Now what we see is effects 2 is going to be chained to effects 3. So we won't hear anything unless we have something assigned to effects 2, because right now it's effects 1 combined with those 2 combined. So if I change, let's say we change this first one here to effects 2, we'll hear that change. You'll hear that it's a pitch down, and you'll hear that in the background of this synthesizer. So you'll see, I'm just working with synth 1 here. We have this sound, it's through effects 1. And then if we chain it, you'll hear now that it has the reverb, and it also has the delay. So if I press this, it's only going to go through effects 2, because we only hear the reverb, because that's assigned to effects 1. So we're going to go to 2, and now it's going to stream from 2 to 3 to what we hear. And then if we press it again, we'll see that it's chained all the way through. So we can have anything assigned to any of these effects, or we can have it all go through effects 1. So let's press play. Now we can hear all of it chained together.
Oh,